Today we are going to be replacing the air filter in a 2012 Honda Odyssey. The thing you want to do is you want to get the best price on your air filter. So check online with all of your auto parts store. You may even order it online. One of the things I like to do so I can get it right away if I need it is I will go to Pep Boys, order it online, because a lot of times you can get a discount. For example, on this one there was a 20% discount, and then you can pick it up at the store. And I've saved a lot of money doing that. Make sure you have the rewards card. But anyway, so get you the air filter. You'll then raise the hood, and you'll notice that the rod is just placed in here to hold up the hood. It goes down here, but then you'll raise it up and put it in this little notch right here to keep the hood up and make sure it's getting in nice and snug. Now really this is where the air filter is, and it's really quite simple. All you do is unloosen these little snaps. There's one there. You then have one over here. Let's see if you can see that. Just snap it back, and then there's one here. This one right here. So they're just three little snaps you need to loosen. You'll then go ahead and lift up, and you can pull out your air filter. And you know, take a look at it. You can see this one is very dirty. I went to Jiffy Lube and they wanted to replace it, but I told them not to. It's a lot less expensive to do it by yourself if you can find a good price on the air filter. Next thing you want to do is take your air filter out of the package, lift the top cover up a little bit. Just go ahead and lift this up, and then you'll just slide your filter in. I'm just doing this on my own, so I don't really have anybody to lift that up. So, and then you can just go ahead and slide it in and make sure it goes down. And then got to make sure that over here that it goes down into that groove, and you can see that it slides in right there, right in that position there. And then just go ahead and secure this down, and once you get that on, then just go ahead and secure the snaps just like you did to take them off. Again, it'll be much easier if you're not filming. And then there's one in the back. And so again, the main thing is get those, loosen those snaps on the side, pull out the old filter. Make sure when you're putting it back in that you slide it back into that groove, this area right in through here, and then you should be good to go. Very simple job. Save you, $5–10 rather than have somebody else do it. And, well, good luck.